So this is a quick video on how to edit your Eventbrite settings so that your tickets are working, and also I'm going to show you a little bit about how to actually send an email through Eventbrite so that you can get people to register for your event. So what I would do first of all is let's just change the event settings, because when I looked at it, it wouldn't actually let me. It said the ticket sales had ended. So all you need to do, once all of this loads, if you want to go to, there it is, it's loaded now. So you want to basically go to the little settings here. You're probably going to have to do this for each of them. Still loading some stuff. Okay, ticket settings. Now what I tend to do, because otherwise, if you don't change this date, then it won't sell the tickets. People just will see tickets ended. So what I would probably do, I'd put it to some ridiculous date in the future, and then if that's saved or not. Yeah, I would just do the same. That's fine. And then what you can do is when you start a new event, you can basically duplicate what you've got here, so you won't really have to worry about this at all. So let's just save all of that. Okay, cool. So let's view the event, see if it's all see if it's working. Okay, cool. So before it was saying ticket sales had ended. So good, tickets should be working now. Okay, cool. September. So it doesn't actually say the year, but you know, wouldn't worry too much about this. Qualified member. Again, you can always change this in the settings anyway if you need to. So if you want this to change, just change the end date, but I wouldn't bother changing the year. There's just no point. So that's fine. Cool. So in terms of actually sending an email, let me just jump back. And so let's go to manage. Okay, so invite and promote. I mean, there's a few ways you can promote this as well. Invite and promote. So you can add to Facebook as well. So this is pretty cool. So I believe you've got to basically link Eventbrite with one of your business pages. I think what will happen is Eventbrite will actually create an event for you through your business page. So if you've got a Facebook page you want to market this through, that's an option as well. If not, then just go to email invitations. And this is basically how it will come out. So as you can see, it looks quite nice. You can obviously customize all this, edit it. If you use MailChimp, then you can integrate that. If not, then all you would do is just check you're happy with the name of the sender, the subject line. You can send yourself a test email, and then you go to add guests, and you can manually enter. You can basically just re-add the information here, upload it, and you're pretty much good to go. Then you can just send it, or you can schedule it out. So hopefully that helps you to promote your event, and that's all you need to know for now. Any questions, just ask, and I hope this was helpful.